Okay, Jared is digging a hole, and it's probably deep enough. I'm going to cut this water pipe. It has gravity-fed water supplying the house, and I have a shut-off valve here, ball valve, and I have some cotton ball in plastic. I plan to cut the pipe and then stuff the plastic with the cotton in the pipe to stop the water flow. I will first sand the pipe after I clean it, and then I will see if I can stop it and then glue the check valve, or the shut-off valve, the gate valve, onto the pipe. Then we'll have a shut-off. Okay, Jared? Okay, Lampo.